sa pagsulat natin sa fraction. Who wants to answer? Okay, Angeline. Reading teacher. Sakto ba ang answer ni Angeline dire?
Yes, teacher!
Okay, very good. Excellent. So, let's have another example. So, birthday daw ni Rhea. Kinsa nga birthday?
Si Rhea!
So, ano, luto ba yung mama on? Okay. Pagkaluto sa cake, di ko pa sa yung mama on. Sila na tulo. Daw, baby, gibuto man si Rhea, kulangan niya on. Isa. Daw, pipila man na yung gato na siya isulat sa fraction.
Teacher, teacher!
Rhea.
110, teacher!
Sakto ba ang answer ni Rhea?
Yes, teacher!
Okay, very good. And now, we'll find out what will happen if we're going to multiply a fraction. But before that, we're going to read the objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to
Identify the process of multiplying fractions correctly. Practice your understanding by solving multiplication of fraction on the board. Show confidence by solving real-world problems involving multiplication of fractions.
Today we're going to discuss about multiplying fractions. So these are the steps in multiplying fraction. So next please. So the first step is multiply the numerators. Multiply the numbers of both fractions. Say for example, 1 half times 3 fifth. So this one, manit ka nga part dere, is called the numerator. Numerator. So, kanipod siya ang sa ubos is what you call the denominator. So, ang first step daw is i-multiply ang numerator. So, what are the numerators?
1 and 3, ma'am.
So, what I mean, 1 and 3. So, 1 times 3.
3, ma'am.
We have 3. So, what are the denominators?
2
and 5.
2 times 5.
10.
So, is this the final answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you say so?
Because it cannot be divided in any number, ma'am.
Very good, Rhea. Another example. So, 2/3 times 1/2. Okay. So, what's the unang steps in multiplying fraction?
I-multiply ang numerator, ma'am.
Asa dapat ang numerator ang dapat?
2
Two
ang
of
1,
one.
ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, 2 times 1.
2, ma'am.
2. Very good. 3 times 2.
6,
Six.
ma'am.
Okay, very good. It's 6. Is this the final answer? Answer? Ano ba na to?
Dili pa, ma'am.
Nga naman, Rhea.
Kay ato pang i-simplify, ma'am. Mangita pa taong number nga ma-divide sa ila duha, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, this form is, inahanin pa siya i-simplify. So, unsa man yung number ang ato i-divide aning duha?
Pwede ra ang 2, teacher.
Okay, very good too. Let's try. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. So, 2 divided by 2.
1.
Very good. 1. 6 divided by 2.
3.
So, muna ba ni siya ang answer?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Very good. You need to call here. Diba? Nabata na naman ito kung saan multiply and fraction. So, who wants to volunteer to solve the number 2 equation?
Ako, teacher.
Yes, Rhea, can we try?
20.
20. So, sa may buhat na to ating na answer.
I-simplified, teacher.
Rhea, ang imo pula is simplify ang answer. Simplify. So, mangita ka karon o kanang pwede divide sa 6 o sa
20.
20. So, unsa man ka nga number na pwede i-divide sa 6 o sa 20?
2, teacher.
Well, atong i-try ang 2. So, divided by 2, divided by 2. 6 divided by 2.
3, teacher.
3. 20 divided by 2.
10, teacher.
So, karon ginakuha ka naman siya. Mauna ba ni siya ang final na answer?
Yes, teacher. Kaya dili naman siya masimplify.
Okay, very good, Ochilin. So, Rhea, basta gamit mag-solve ang fraction din. Ang iyang answer is, dili pa siya simplified, so you need it to be simplified. I'll put you into 2. So, each group is makareceive siya of cardboard and pen. So, the name of our game is what do you call fraction wheel challenge. Ready na ba sa atong buka karon?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So, muna siya ang mechanics. So, mag-present si teacher of wheel na nag-contain of fraction. So, ang challenger, or say for example, ang group ni Rhea ang una. Tuklog ni ay mag-spin si Rhea o kaisa. So, 2/5 lugar. Sulat tayo nila dire sa board niya. 2/5 times. And then, mag-spin na po si Rhea para sa utro. Yeah. So, if I was then ni Rhea, sa first equation niya yung makuha. After that,
Yes, teacher.
Okay, who wants to share the answer? Okay, yes, Ruchelin and Rhea. Kindly stand in front.